Netflix ads are getting annoying, right? You sit to relax, press play, and boom, another ad. In the next 10 seconds, I will show you real, working, and 100% authentic ways to remove Netflix ads, without hacks, without risk, and without wasting money. This is Tech Vibes, and let us fix this properly. First, understand one important truth. Netflix ads only appear on the Basic with Ads plan. There is no setting inside Netflix to turn ads off on this plan. Any video or comment claiming a secret toggle is fake. Solution number 1. Upgrade your Netflix plan. This is the only official and permanent way to remove ads. Go to Netflix app, go to Account, then go to Change Plan. Select Standard or Premium Plan. Confirm payment. Ads are gone instantly. This works on mobile, television, computer, and tablet. Solution number 2. Use downloads to skip ads. This works only on mobile and tablet. Open Netflix app. Download your movie or series episode fully. Turn off Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now play the downloaded content. Netflix does not show ads in offline downloads. This method is tested and confirmed by many users. Solution number 3. Use Kids Profile smartly. Create a Kids Profile. Go to Manage Profiles. Select Add Profile. Choose Kids. Kids profiles show very limited or no ads for most content. This does not work for all shows, but it reduces ads significantly. Solution number 4. Change playback timing. Ads usually appear before or during playback. If you pause, rewind, or restart repeatedly, ads can replay. So press play once and let it run smoothly. Avoid skipping too much. This reduces repeated ad triggers. Solution number 5. Smart device update check. Outdated apps sometimes show extra ads due to bugs. Go to App Store or Play Store, search Netflix, update the app, then restart your device. Many users fixed ad glitches this way. Now, a warning you must know. Ad blockers do not work on Netflix television apps. DNS tricks, VPN tricks, or mod apps can get your account banned. These are not authentic solutions. If you want zero ads, smooth playback, and peace of mind, upgrading the plan or using offline downloads are the best real solutions. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real tech fixes, no fake hacks, no nonsense.